Unlocking the secrets of aquaponic efficiency. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that combines the world of aquaculture and hydroponics to create a sustainable food production system. Yes, you guessed it right. We're talking about aquaponic efficiency. This concept might sound complex, but don't worry, we're here to break it down for you in a simple and easy-to-understand way. So, let's get started and explore the magic behind aquaponic systems and why they are considered a game-changer in sustainable agriculture. Aquaponics is an innovative and sustainable method of farming that combines aquaculture, the raising of fish or other aquatic animals, with hydroponics, the cultivation of plants in water without soil. In this symbiotic relationship, the waste produced by the fish supplies nutrients for the plants. In return, the plants clean and filter the water, which is then recirculated back to the fish tanks. This creates a closed-loop system that is highly efficient and environmentally friendly. So, what makes aquaponics so efficient? First, it significantly reduces the need for water compared to traditional farming methods, as the water is recirculated within the system. Additionally, it eliminates the need for chemical fertilizers, since fish waste provides all the necessary nutrients for the plants. This not only saves costs but also prevents the runoff of chemicals into the environment. Moreover, aquaponic systems can be set up in urban areas or places with poor soil quality, making it possible to grow fresh produce almost anywhere. Several factors contribute to the efficiency of an aquaponic system. These include the type of fish and plants chosen, the design of the system, and the management practices applied. For instance, selecting fish species and plants that complement each other's needs can significantly enhance system productivity. Properly designing the system to ensure optimal water circulation and oxygen levels is also crucial. Regular monitoring and adjusting the system as needed can prevent imbalances and ensure the health of both fish and plants. In conclusion, aquaponic efficiency represents a forward-thinking approach to food production that is not only sustainable but also capable of providing fresh, nutritious food with minimal environmental impact. By understanding and implementing the principles of aquaponics, we can take significant steps toward solving some of today's most pressing environmental and food security challenges. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the world of aquaponics. We hope this video has shed some light on how aquaponics works and why it's such an efficient method of growing food. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.